Welcome to Mindfulness MindMosaic, and today I'm going to bring you something a wee bit different. Up until now we've been doing some formal mindfulness practices together, but today I'm bringing to give you a chance to try out some informal practice. An informal practice in mindfulness is just a way of incorporating mindfulness into our everyday life, and it might be going for a walk. It might be chopping up vegetables to make a pot of soup, but it's about knowing what's happening while it's happening without preference, just bringing into your awareness what is going on in that moment, as opposed to being lost in thought in our head. So today we're going to try some origami. Now, I am not an origami expert, so here is the origami graveyard. Oops, if I can demonstrate. And here are the things that I have tried earlier. So what we're going to do then is take a square piece of paper and try and make the origami bird. It's not the easiest thing to make, but it's just about focusing on what you're doing. It's not going to turn out perfect. They never do, and I usually have quite a lot of casualties that actually don't really look like anything very much at all. So taking the piece of paper, we're going to fold it on the diagonal like this, and fold it both ways, and then fold it on the opposite diagonal like this, and again fold it both ways. I'll go back to this way, and then what I want you to do is fold this side in down here, but also fold it back on itself to make a good fold, and again folding in like this and round to the back as well, till you've got something that looks like this. And then we've got the tricky bit. So holding the points like this, you're pushing that down and folding it in like that. And again, taking this side and pulling it down in like that, so that you get it's flat on that side, and you get this in folds at that side. And with this bit here at the top, and the bottom looks like this, you're going to fold this into the midline point. Now I'm going to fold this down a bit, and hopefully you'll be able to see that this is coming in like this, and in like this, and fold over and into that midline point again, and then you have something that looks like this, and you have this wee bit at the top, so you fold that either way too, whoops, and it flies out your hand. Okay, so now we've got another slightly tricky fold where we're going to pull this up. Now you notice it doesn't go up past that bit, and fold it in like that and turn it over. And do the same. Oops. Until you get something that's like this and like this. And then what you're going to do is, on this side, fold in like this, and so like that, and turn it over, and fold in like this, and like that. So that what you have now, you have these bits, and you have this bit with that in the middle. So folding up like that, but again, like all of these things, you're going to do the fold each way to make it a bit better. Okay, so one of these sides is going to be a head and one is going to be the tail, like this. So you take this and open it and fold that in, so it sort of folds inside like that. Okay, you can see that folded in there like that, and then we're going to fold the head down. Okay, and then bring the tail up. So it looks like this, and here's the magic part. When you pull it out, you have the bird. So you can do different things. You can fold the wings and put creases in them as well. So here we have our origami bird. And I'm going to record the lotus flower in a different recording so that I don't have to do quite so many takes. So have a go and try the origami birds. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look perfect. I have lots of examples of disasters, and it was just the doing it. This is particularly bad disaster. Give it a go, and perhaps bring you from being in your mind with lots of thought activity into actually doing something and just being present in that moment. I hope you enjoy it.